Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Create or sign into your Epson Connect account, then make sure your printer is on the same Wi-Fi network and firmware is current. Once done, find the printer serial number, usually on the back or inside the cartridge bay, and add the printer in Epson Connect. You will confirm ownership via a registration email or on printer registration screen. This step links your device to Epson Cloud Services and grants you remote print capability immediately. Once the printer is registered, go into the printer's web interface or the Epson Connect dashboard to enable remote print and Epson email print. Next, install the Epson iPrint app on your phone or tablet, or note the printer's unique email address for direct sending. Configure sensible defaults like paper size, print quality, and color mode, and set a security PIN if you want to restrict access. These configurations ensure consistent output and prevent accidental or unauthorized. You finish by sending a test job. Open the document on your device, choose Epson iPrint or email the file to the printer's Epson address, then select the registered printer and submit. Make sure to monitor job status in the Epson Connect portal so you can cancel or retry if it stalls. If printing fails, check Wi-Fi connection and signal, confirm printer firmware and cloud status, verify your router firewall isn't blocking outbound connections, and re-register the printer as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.